How to earn money online without investment. Let's see. Hey, it's Afrooz here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I post videos every day. Let's watch and learn. By the way, if you wanted to learn how I make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment section. I will guide you step by step through the process. It's easy to follow and it's learnable. Let's go.
Now open your smartphone and searching on the Google Play for earning money videos app. There is plenty of video apps comes up and you need to choose this one, earn money video and apps. Install it, open it and register. Put your email and the password, and then on the profile you can see it's a $2 already earned. Click on the earn, and then on this page click watch. Open the video by YouTube, watch the video for more than 40-30 seconds and put the like. Go back by clicking the back arrow on your smartphone. You get rewards. Let's see how it works. Open the video, watch it for 40-30 seconds or so or less, and then back. Repeat it over and over so you can earn money. By clicking on the profile, you can choose how you can collect the money by these options, and the minimum payment amount should be $40.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I post videos every day.